If you're tired of making gin and tonic at home, I am here to help you. The BYOB Bartender Home Bartending Crash Course live stream. I'm going to give you a list of simple ingredients to get, and we're going to build 4 drinks together. I'm going to give you the bulletproof blueprint that helps you make a drink all the way from the classic martini to a whiskey sour to a gin daisy. I'm going to answer questions like, when do I shake and when do I stir? Is fresh citrus really that important? What do I do with bitters? What kind of glassware should I have? The relationship of ice inside of your drink as an ingredient, how to scale up drinks, make drinks bigger, how to set up your counter space so it's easier to clean up afterwards and make another drink. I'm gonna make it more uncomplicated, fun, and inexpensive for you than ever before. All of this to teach you how to be your own bartender. Be Your Own Bartender Home Bartending Crash Course, Saturday, August 8th at 7 p.m. Check the link in the bio for the event invite, and I will see you there.